The year is 2025. A chill wind blows from the south. Former President Trump, back in the news cycle, has dropped a bombshell. He is proposing a 25% tariff on all goods from Canada. This isn't just a trade war, it's personal. Tariffs are essentially taxes on imports. Trump claims they protect American jobs. He wants to bring manufacturing back to the United States. But at what cost? This tariff could cripple the Canadian economy. Millions of jobs are at stake. The impact is immediate. The Canadian dollar plummets. Businesses scramble. Politicians are left reeling. The Canadian people are anxious. Is this the beginning of the end for the Canadian dream? The Canadian economy is deeply intertwined with the United States. We are their largest trading partner. This tariff cuts deep. Every sector is affected. The energy sector, a cornerstone of the Canadian economy, is reeling. Oil and gas exports to the United States face a steep decline. Thousands of jobs are on the line. The once booming oil fields of Alberta fall silent. The automotive industry, another pillar of Canadian manufacturing, is in free fall. Supply chains are disrupted. Production grinds to a halt. Thousands more jobs vanish overnight. The once bustling factories of Ontario are now ghost towns. Canada refuses to go down without a fight. Prime Minister Trudeau vows to protect Canadian jobs. He promises swift retaliation. Canada announces its own tariffs on American goods. Orange juice, steel, and plastics are targeted. These are carefully chosen to hit key American industries. The message is clear. This is not a one-sided fight. Canada also looks beyond the United States. Trade missions are sent across the globe. Deals are struck with Europe, Asia, and South America. Canada is diversifying. It's a long-term strategy, but it's essential for survival. The future remains uncertain. The tariffs cast a long shadow over the Canadian economy. The risk of recession looms. Inflation is on the rise. The Canadian dream feels more fragile than ever. Will this trade war escalate? Will it spill over into other sectors? Will Canada and the United States find a way to resolve their differences? The answers to these questions will determine the fate of millions. One thing is certain, the relationship between Canada and the United States has been forever changed. The road ahead will be long and difficult. The question is, will we face it together or as adversaries?